From missiles to microchips, India's growth engines are firing on all fronts. This week, defense gets a 79,000 crore rupee push, MSMEs show fresh momentum, and electronics manufacturing powers up with new projects. Here's how India's small businesses are driving big change. Hello everyone, I am Swalpi Bajpayee and you have tuned into SME Futures. And these were the top stories we are covering in this edition of SME This Week. In a massive boost to India's defense modernization, the Defense Acquisition Council, chaired by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, has cleared proposals worth Rs 79,000 crore. This will not only strengthen Army, Navy and Air Force but poses a massive opportunity for MSMEs and defense startups. For the Army, the Council approved the NAG missile system Mark II, developed by the DRDO for destroying tanks and bunkers, a ground-based mobile electronic intelligence system for continuous battlefield surveillance and high mobility vehicles with cranes for rapid logistics along the borders. This project will rely heavily on Indian supply chains, opening doors for component makers, electronic firms and mobility solution providers. The Navy gets new landing platform docks, 30mm naval guns, lightweight torpedoes and smart ammunition, enhancing amphibious operations, undersea warfare and maritime security. For the Air Force, the big highlight is the collaborative long-range target destruction system, an advanced unmanned aerial platform capable of autonomous deep strike missions. This 79,000 crore clearance, one of the largest in recent years, not only marks a major step toward a multi-domain self-reliant Indian military, but could mean thousands of new contracts, jobs and innovation pathways for India's MSME ecosystem. India's small businesses are powering ahead. Stronger demand, easy costs and government support are giving India's MSMEs a new wave of confidence. According to the new survey report by the Small Industries Development Bank of India, micro, small and medium enterprises remain upbeat about their business outlook. The survey covered 1,200 MSMEs. In the July-September quarter, 50% of trading and 47% of manufacturing MSMEs saw sales growth, while the services sector stayed strong, expecting a festive season boost. But exports tell a different story. Optimism dipped this quarter, with only 43% of MSMEs reporting export growth. However, there is hope ahead as 56% expect healthy export gains by 2026. Profitability largely held steady. About 1 in 5 MSMEs saw better margins. Only 33% now face higher interest rates, down from 41%. MSMEs are seeing gradual improvements in the ease of doing business, from quicker permits to better electricity access and smoother compliance. India's electronics manufacturing story just got a powerful upgrade. The government has approved the first tranche of 7 projects under the Electronic Components Manufacturing Scheme, a major step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in core tech. These 7 plants spread across Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are expected to bring a total investment of 5,532 crore rupees, and together they'll produce components worth over 36,000 crore. We are talking multi-layer PCBs, HDI boards, camera module, sub-assemblies, laminates and polypropylene films, which are critical parts that power smartphones, EVs and industrial electronics. The projects are expected to create over 5,000 direct jobs while strengthening domestic supply chains and reducing import dependency. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said these new units will fulfill India's domestic demand and deepen the nation's electronic manufacturing base. That's all that we have on this edition of SME This Week. Stay tuned. I will see you same time, same day next week.